Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is the Dyson CR01 washing machine. It's the back of it. I've got the back panel off. That's the pulley with the gearbox inside it. There's one of the motors. The other motor's up here on the bench. I've just been toying around with how you wire it up. It took me a while to figure out because it's got a lot of wires on it. I won't explain how to do it here, but if you want to know how to do that and the science or the electronics behind it, look up my how to wire a universal washing machine motor video. That explains it in a bit more detail. This is just a bodge job really here today. I think I'm going to wire them in series so that the power will come into one and out of the other and jump between them. I think that's in series rather than in parallel where the power comes in and out of both of them. I think that means by doing it in series that it'll balance the load on the two motors, but I might just be completely naive, and if I am, tell me about it in the comments. The point is here that I could just put a different belt on it and wire it with one motor, but in reality two motors certainly has to have more steam than one motor, so I'll do two. So I'll get the motor back in and wire it up, and then we'll take another look at it. So I've got them wired up in this configuration where the power comes into one, then goes to the other, and then goes out of the other and then back into the plug. I think that's series wired. We'll plug it in and give it a look. Got a plug here, a little socket. Do that off camera. Let's keep an eye on them. I want them to both spin in the same direction. Okay, they're both working. They're both going. Yeah, they're both spinning counterclockwise. I saw that at the end there. That's pretty good. One more go. Unplug. Yeah, they're both spinning counterclockwise, which is perfect. So I'll get the belt back on and we'll try it with the belt on. See if the bearings work. Okay, I've got the belt on. We know that it works. So let's try plugging it in. Okay, here it is. So it seems to top out there at pretty low speed. Not low, but just it doesn't sound very impressive, but it's like it's hauling a lot of weight. I wonder if there's a better circuit to wire it on, because there was a few different loops there. I might haul the motor out and try it again, see if it goes a bit faster. Oh, it's hard to know what to do. I don't really want to keep faffing around. So I've changed the configuration. I don't know if it'll actually work this time, but we'll try it again. See if it spins any louder, if it spins at all. No, that's not working. Okay, so plug it out, try again. Okay, let's try it another time, another configuration of wires. Nothing that way, just nothing. Okay, plug it out, unplug it. Okay, so I think, let's try it again. I've changed it one more time. Sounds a bit faster that time. I think there's one more configuration I can try. I'll give that a go. It's unplugged. Okay, we'll try this one. It's unplugged again. That sounds a lot like the first one, so I'm gonna go back and put those cables back the way they were. And then we'll leave it at that. Put the machine back together. Or not actually. I'll put the lid back on. Yeah, I'll put the lid and the back on. Why not? Get the back on, I'll get the lid back on, tidy it up a bit, and secure this cable, this power cord. Make a nice job of it. I might even... No, I won't bother running it out the proper way. Put it all back together, and then in another video, I'll smash it, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, see you later.